Welcome back to another video assignment of research methodologies and intellectual property rights. My name is Parinitham, and I'm studying in Steve Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pursuing fifth sem. Introduction to research methodology and intellectual property rights. Research methodology plays a crucial role in safeguarding intellectual property rights. It involves systematic procedures and techniques to investigate, analyze, and protect innovations, creative works, and proprietary information. Importance of research methodology in protecting intellectual rights. Research methodology plays a crucial role in protection of intellectual property rights by providing a structural and systematic approach to conducting studies and generating new knowledge. There are different ways in how research methodology contributes in safeguarding the intellectual property rights. Identification of novelty and uniqueness. Research methodology help in conducting thought literature reviews and background studies to identify existing knowledge and gaps. By systematically reviewing prior work, researchers can ensure that their contributions are novel and unique, thus laying the foundation for potential intellectual property protection. Documentation and record keeping. Rigorous research methodologies promote proper documentation of their entire research process and conceptualization to implementation and analysis. Detailed records helps establish the timeline of innovation, supporting claims of originality and ownership in the event of intellectual property disputes. Through examination, research methodology ensures a comprehensive examination of intellectual property, identifying potential infringements and protecting the rights of creators and innovators. Legal safeguards. It establishes a foundation of legal safeguards enabling business and individuals to secure their property assets against unauthorized use or reproduction. Key components of research methodology. Research methodology is a systematic process used by researchers to design, conduct, and analyze research study. It involves a series of steps and components that guide the research process. The key components of research methodology include data collection method, describing the technique and tools used to gather data. This may include surveys, interviews, experiments, observations. The choice of methods depends on the research and design and objectives. Systematic and meticulous collection of data is fundamental to research methodology, forming the basis of informed analysis and decision making. Data analysis technique. Specifying the method for analyzing the collected data. This can involve statistical analysis, content analysis, thematic analysis, or other appropriate techniques, depending on the nature of the data research questions. Utilizing advanced analytical tools and models to interpret data ensures a thorough understanding of intellectual property landscapes. Implementing document and verification. Proper document and verification processes are essential to validate research findings and protect the integrity of intellectual property. Different research methodologies and their application in different fields. Qualitative research and quantitative research. Qualitative used in social sciences, humanities, and some areas of natural science to gain understanding of underlying reasons and motivations. Quantitative, applied in natural and social sciences, it focuses on quantifying the data and generalizing results to a wider population. So quantitative research is basically of statistical researches, and qualitative is the inventing new things which can be helpful to the human mankind. The challenges faced in implementing research methodology to protect intellectual property rights. Implementing research methodology to protect intellectual property rights comes with its set of challenges. These challenges can arise in various stages of the research process and can involve legal, ethical, and practical consideration. Intellectual property awareness. Lack of awareness among researchers and organizations about the importance of intellectual property protection and the available mechanism. Impact. Researchers may not proactively take steps to secure innovations leading to potential loss of intellectual property. Re- Resource constraints, limited financial resources for patent fillings, legal assistance, or technology transfer activities. Inability to adequately protect intellectual property assets, hindering the commercialization and realization of economic benefits. Complexity of intellectual property laws. The complexity and diversity of intellectual property laws and regulations across different jurisdictions, difficulty in navigating legal requirements in difficulty in navigating legal requirements leading to potential errors in the application process or inadequate protection. Time constraints. The lengthy and time-consuming process associated with with obtaining intellectual property protection, such as patents, delayed protection may expose innovatives to potential infringement or compromise competitive advantages. Complex legal landscape. Navigating intricate intellectual property laws and regulations poses significant significant obstacles for researchers and innovators. Rapid technology advancements. Keeping pace with evolving technologies and digital platforms requires continuous adaptation and innovation to safeguard intellectual property. Global market dynamics. Expanding into global market represents challenges in protecting intellectual property from diverse legal and cultural perspectives. Strategies for overcoming challenges in research methodology and intellectual property rights. Collaborative partnerships. Building strategic partnership enhances collective expertise and resource to tackle complex intellectual property challenges. Adaptive frameworks. Developing flexible frameworks encourages innovation and adaptation to evolving technical and legal landscapes. Knowledge sharing. Encouraging open knowledge sharing fosters a culture of transparency and mutual support in protecting intellectual property rights. Case studies highlighting the impact of research methodology on intellectual property rights. Technological industry. Innovative patent research methodologies led to comprehensive intellectual property protection, enabling industry leaders to maintain their competitive edge. Entertainment sector. Strategically implemented research methodologies facilitated the safeguarding of creative content, fostering a conducive environment for artists and producers. Pharmaceutical research and patent protection. A pharmaceutical company invests in an extensive research and critical trials to develop a new drug for a specific medical condition. Rigorous experimental design and documentation of the drug development process. Successful patent applications covering the new drug composition, formulation, and methods to use. The detailed research methodology supports the claims, making the patent stronger and more defensible against the challenges. Conclusion. Key takeaways from discussion on research methodology and intellectual property rights. Research methodology, if it can be done in certain ways for different things. Some people do it for better advancement in the human technology and to ease our lives in the to ease our work in day-to-day activities. And some do it for the fame, money, and all other things. And this research method and intellectual property rights is so important because, for example, in the new Kantara movie, which was released last, it was the Kantara movie where they had used a song which was originally made by a Kerala artist, and then they filed a patent for it. And they fought for it, and they had to give some amount of money to the Kerala artist from the producers and the movie director's side to again to use their song back again in the movies. So adaptability, innovation, and collaboration. Research methodology stands as a critical pillar in the protection and sustenance of intellectual property rights, demanding adaptability, fostering innovation, and inspiring collaborative synergies for comprehensive safeguarding. And by this, we conclude our video assignment of this topic, research methodology and intellectual property rights by today. And if you have found any information useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.